Silver is recognized by the U.S. government and industry as a critical material for modern technology. From artificial intelligence and data centers to electric vehicles and renewable energy, silver is essential to the systems powering today's economy. As demand for these technologies continues to grow, securing reliable domestic sources of silver has become increasingly important.
Hello, I'm Tom Kleberg, geologist and Chief Operating Officer of MetalSource Mining. Welcome to our Silver Hill Mine project. Silver Hill was the first domestic silver produced in the United States. It was the first silver mine discovered in America in 1838. That's significant because early specimens of silver from here went to various museums throughout the United States. Silver Hill also became the first domestic producer of silver sent to the Philadelphia Mint to make coins. Today we're embarking on a new generation of techniques and personnel to find and expand reserves of metals here at the mine.
Silver Hill was America's first silver mine, located in a long-established, mining-friendly jurisdiction. Homeland silver projects are increasingly rare, with the vast majority of silver mines located in politically unstable countries, meaning investors are taking on more risk than they would like. Silver Hill sits entirely on private land, allowing exploration to move forward efficiently in a pro-mining region.
First silver found in the United States was found right there in a garden. And they dug down about 50 feet and hit the top of what became a fabulously rich ore body. It was some of the highest assays that had ever been found in the eastern United States of silver, gold, and other metals. Even with poor recoveries, they developed the mine and spent years extracting metals from there. Even Thomas Edison came down here in the 1880s to help improve their recoveries so that they would get a larger percentage of metals out of the ore.
Despite its historic significance, Silver Hill has never been systematically explored using modern geological, geophysical, and drilling methods. Today, we're applying a data-driven approach to better understand this historic American silver system.
We're here doing some electrical geophysics on the Silver Hill Mine project, and we started out with magnetotelluric recon, where we're using a very cool signal source. It's the actual solar wind that impinges on the Earth's magnetosphere that sets up electric waves in the ground. We can monitor those incoming magnetic waves and the resultant electric. Put them together, we wind up getting a sounding that measures the conductivity of the ground. As someone who started doing geophysical work at 18 years old in about 1968, the technology today is so much more advanced, particularly for the electrical geophysics like IP going into 2D inversion, 3D modeling.
A strong increase in some iron sulfides that we've been able to see in the core, and then we're also going to fingerprint that same horizon with the IP, and so we can essentially assign the geophysical response that we're seeing in the ground to what we're seeing in the core. So we can use that to explore the rest of the property package in the north and south.
Supported by a strong shareholder base, including Eric Sprott, a Mining Hall of Fame inductee, and one of the world's most respected mineral investors, the company is fully funded and currently drilling through the first quarter of 2026. Silver Hill represents a modern exploration effort grounded in history, discipline, and long-term vision. Silver Hill, a property that helped shape America's mining history, is finally being re-examined using modern exploration methods.